Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Joel Wanasek's overlapping vocal trick by using track spacing. Joel Wanasek is a sound engineer who has been working with such great metal bands as Machine Head, Ice Nine Kills, Voila, and many more. Also, he is a co-founder of Nail the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing, and mastering. So, if you want to learn from Joel Wanasek on mixing, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. So, in our today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Joel Wanasek's overlapping vocal trick by using track spacer. So here we have two vocals, we have scream vocals, and we have clean vocals, which are overlapping in our chorus section. So let's have a listen to our vocals only.
So don't complain, 'cause you don't walk in my shoes. You wouldn't last a day, 'cause all you...
So when a phrase "so don't complain" starts, we still have our scream vocals and our clean vocals here. And to create some space for our clean vocals, we're gonna be using track spacing. So let's open our mixer in Studio One, and on our secondary vocals, we're going to be using track spacing. And here we're going to engage sidechain, and we're going to sidechain our scream vocals to our lead main vocals. And we're going to be using pre-fader mode of sidechaining. Here we're going to be using a ratio around 10%. And let's have a listen to our vocals now.
So don't complain, 'cause you don't walk in my...
So if we are going to increase our ratio, for instance around 20%, you will hear that our clean vocal will be darken our secondary scream vocal.
So don't complain, 'cause you don't walk in my shoes.
And maybe 20% is too much. We can dial back around 5%.
So don't complain, 'cause you don't walk...
Maybe let's bring up around 10.
So don't complain, 'cause you don't walk in my...
So now our clean vocals is darken our scream vocals, and in this case we are creating space for our clean vocals. So now you know how by using track spacer you can create space for your vocals when they are overlapping in your mix. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn from Joel Wanasek on mixing metal, you can join Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. And see you next time.